Dear students, welcome to this session. This session we are going to continue the tree concept. In previous session we have discussed the basic about the tree and the basic terminologies on the tree. Next, how to represent a tree. Representation means how to implement a tree, what type of storage we can use for representing the tree. So already told any data structure if you want to create, that can be created from the existing data structure. Example, stack if you want to create, we may need to use the array, or we may need to use the list. The list if you want to create, we may need to use the concept of what variables. Similarly, what the tree if you want to create, how it can be represented. So basically the tree will be represented by using a list. Using a list means, for example, if you are considering this tree here, each node is having the children, correct? Is called as the tree node actually. It is having the data, actual data, and then in the tree it can have the any number of children. Each node can have any number of children. Since that number of children is not restricted to a particular number, we cannot specify how many children here. So that what type of information we are going to store in that node is, along with the data, who is the first children, that is address of the first child. Okay, so first child. What about the next children informations? The next children informations are linked with the first child, so it will be what stored as a list. So in addition to that first child, it is having the siblings. Siblings means what? Address of the sibling. Okay, so three fields: data, okay, address of the first child, address of the sibling. What about the second child, third child means the second, third children are what? The sibling of the first child. So he containing the information about what? Second child and third child, etc. You can understand if I draw this, okay, as a list, means that A contains, for example, say that address is the 110. Instead of taking this lengthy tree, okay, we will consider a small tree. For example, 10, 5, 15, 20. It is containing 25, 30, 35, 4, and it containing the 45, which is containing that 27, like this. Okay, just to assume this tree, general tree. Okay, say these are the tree, and you say the address of the first node is the 110. This is the root. Okay, this address is the 210, this address is the 310, this address 410, 510, and 610, 950 like this. Okay, so just have assigned the address for the each nodes also. Okay, actually each node containing the data and address of the first child and address of the sibling. Okay, so this is the root. So the root containing the three fields. One is the data field, that is a 10. This is the data. Okay, and what about the first one and next one? The first one is the address of the first child. Address of the first child is what? 210. So he contains that address 210. So it is nothing but first child address. First. And this contains the sibling of the 10. Okay, not sibling of the 5. Okay, sibling of the 10. A sibling of the 10 means what? In the 0th level, there is no sibling. So it is a null. Okay. So now this 210 pointing to what? The 210th node. Itself what? A node, tree node. It is containing the 5. So this address is the 110. This address is the 210. Okay. And 5. So who is the first child for the 5? 5 does not have any more children. So this field is a null. What about the sibling address here? Means the sibling is the 15. Okay, for the 5 the sibling is the 15. So that address is a 310. So that it means that here. Okay, so this is the 310th node. He containing the 15. Okay, and address of the first child for the 15, that is what? 25. 25 address is what? 510. So address of the sibling for the 15 is what? The next child for the 10 is the 20. So that is a sibling. So that he containing the address 410. Okay, the 410 pointing to what? The next sibling. So 20. This address is the 410. And here there is who is the first child for the 20? Don't say that there is no first child. Only one child is there for the 20. That child is what? 4. So he containing the address of what? That 4. That is what? The only one child. That address is what? 810. So it is containing the address what? 810. After that, the sibling for that 20. So he is the last child of the 10. So there is no sibling. So it is a null. Next come to here. No children for this level. At this level what? The first child of the 15 is the 510. So we need to draw like this. He containing 25. Okay. And then who is the first child for the 25 is the null. And sibling address is the 16. 16 pointing to what? This node. He containing the 30. And then for the first child of the 30 is 27. His address is a 910. Sibling is the 35. That address is a 710. Containing the 35. And then there is no further children for the 35. Also there is no sibling for the 35. So it is a null. Next for this 810. Okay, 810 is nothing but what? He is the first child for the 20. That is a 810. So I need to draw. 8 and is a 4, and here who is the first child? For the 4 is the 950. Okay, there is no further sibling, so it is a null. And then come to here, there is no further children for the 25. The children for the 30 is 9, 10. So he is having that pointing to what? This node. 27. Okay. No further children, no sibling. Okay. The next day for him there is no children. For him 950 is children, that is he pointing to what? This node. 45. Okay, there is no further children, and then what? There is no further sibling. Okay. So this is the corresponding what? Representation of what? This tree in the list. Okay. We remember data and first child and what? Sibling. Each node will have this kind of what? Information. But there is no direct application for a general tree. We will not use this general tree normally. So we are not going to discuss the implementation of what? The general tree. The applications are exist for the binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree, and that is what? Classification. Further classification of the tree only is having more applications. We will not use the general tree concept. Okay, the general tree concept is needed to know the basic terminologies of about the tree, basic characteristics of what? The tree. Okay. So next we are going to discuss that for the classifications of the tree. So next binary tree is the first classification of the tree. The name itself, we can understand what may be the binary tree. Binary means the 2. It means the number of children for the each node is restricted to at most what? 2. That is the definition of what? The binary tree. Each node can have at most what? 2 children. At most means what? Not exactly 2 children, at most 2 children. It is a tree in which if you restrict, okay, the number of children to be added to maximum of the 2, then it will be considered as a binary tree. So it means can have the 0 number of child or 1 number of child or the maximum of what? 2 children. Okay, so that each node have the 3 fields. One is the data, another one is the left, another one is what? Right. Okay, instead of what? Storing the first child and siblings, because the general tree we don't know how many children are there, but we know that in binary tree at most 2. At most 2 means what? Either the left side one child may be there, right side one child may be there, so that we can fix the type of what? The node as what? It containing the data and address of the left child and address of the right child. If there is no left child, it will be a null. There is no right child, it will be a null, like that. An example for binary tree. Okay, 5, 10, 50, 25 and 30 and 45 and 55. Okay, so this is one example. So if you are considering any node in the tree, it can have the at most 2 children. For the 5, 10 and then 15. For the 10 only the 30. So see here, only one node is there. Left alone is there for the 10, right is not there. Okay. So be clear, not exactly two children. Okay. At most what? Two children. Okay. It allows a node without any children also. For example, 30 is not having any more children. Okay. Also, we need to know height and then number of nodes, the relationship between the height of a tree and the number of nodes. Let us consider the h is the height of the node, sorry, height of the tree. Okay, and n be the number of nodes, the n be the number of nodes. In a tree. Tree means what? The binary tree. Okay, binary tree. So what is the relationship between that h and that n? Okay, for a given height h, how many maximum number of nodes I can add? If the number of nodes is given, what is the minimum height I need and what is the maximum height I need to construct the binary tree? So that we are going to what? Discuss. So what is the height of the tree? The length of the longest path to reach the leaf node. That is the height of the tree. That is from the root. Okay. Height of the tree is nothing but what? Height of the root. Okay. Height of the root is nothing but what? From the root. So which is the which leaf is present in the longest path. So that length will be considered as what? Height of the tree. So in that case, in this example, what may be the height of the tree? Height of the tree means what? From the root to reach the leaf node is the 30, 25 and then what? 55. Which one is the longest path means what? The 55. Okay. So what is the path? 5, 15, 45 and 55. So what is the length? Number of edges between that path. So 1, 2 and then what? 3. So height of this node h equal to what? 3. Sorry, height of this tree is what? H equal to what? 3. So if the h equal to 3 height, for this height 3 you construct the binary tree. Means what? We have to say how many maximum number of nodes I can what? Add with this height. Similarly, minimum number of nodes required for constructing the binary tree with what? Height 3. Like that we have to what? Say the answer. For example, if the h equal to 0, height equal to 0. Height equal to 0 means what? Only one node is there. That is what? Only root. Okay, what? So only one node will be there means what? What will be the height? It is a 0 only. So height equal to 0, the maximum number of node I can add is what? N equal to 1. Okay. And height equal to what? 2. 1. Height equal to 1 means I can add one node in the root first level. And then what? I can add a second node in the next level. So that what? The height will become what? 1. Okay. And what is the so we can also what? One more child for what? The 1. So that is the 3. So further I cannot what? Add anymore. This is the tree with height 1. Within the tree I cannot what? Add further what? The nodes. So that when height equal to if you want to construct the tree with height equal to 1 means how can I can add that maximum n is what? The 3 number of nodes. So maximum n value. Similarly, we can define the minimum n number of nodes required. at the level that is h equal to 0, if you want to construct a tree with a 0, maximum one node I can add, minimum I need what, one node. Okay, n equal to what, 1. Similarly, at tree with height 1, okay, so if I want to create the height 1 means what, minimum I need what, 2 nodes, maximum I can add what, 3 nodes. So minimum is what, 2, maximum is what, 3. Similarly, you go for h equal to 2. h equal to 2 means height 2. So in the 0th level, so level number is 0, 1 and then what, 2. So in the 0th level, here I can add one node. So height is 0. So increase the height. So increase the height means increase the level. In the next level, I can add the maximum what, 2 nodes. Okay, so that is 2 and then what, 3 maximum. Minimum is what, 1. Okay, and then what, here again in that level I can add the further, that is 4, and here I can add 5, 6 and then what, 7. In this level, at next level I cannot add further nodes. Okay, so what is the minimum n and maximum n? Okay, so for the height true, maximum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 nodes I can what, add maximum. Minimum means what, only you fill the left child. So 1 and then what, 2 and then what, 4. So minimum 3 nodes I need to what, complete the height what, true. Okay, so if you are always skipping the right child, if you are always adding the left child alone, so minimum is what, I need the 3, maximum is what, 7. Similarly, height equal to 3. Height equal to 3 means I can add further what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, again what, in this 2 nodes 8 and then what, 9, in these 2 nodes 10 and then 11, in these 2 nodes 12 and 13, in these 2 nodes I can add, that is what, 14 and what, 15. So maximum node number of nodes to be added for the given height 3 means what, 15. Okay, and minimum is what, only if you are considering 1, 2, 3, 4, that is what, 4 nodes. If I want to construct the tree with the minimum number of nodes with the height h equal to 3 means what. So generally how can we define this number, that is what, maximum 7 and then what, 15, and then for the height equal to 1, 3, okay, height equal to 0, maximum is what, 1. Okay, so we can define the maximum number of nodes, for given h, okay, equal to, okay, simply what, this is nothing but what, 3 and 15 and 2 and 7, 1 and 3, 0 and what, 1. Can you define this number? So for example, here consider this the lengthy tree with height 3. So this is the 0th height. Okay, this tree is what, 0th height. Okay, and this tree is the height number what, 1. Okay, level number 1. In this level number what, 2. Here the level number is what, 3. See that the maximum number of nodes can be added like this. See that 0th level, how many maximum number of level I can add, that is a 2 power what, 0. 2 power 0. Here maximum number of nodes I can add is what, 1. So that is what, 2 power 1. Here this level 2 power what, 2. in this level 2 power what 3. So in generally what, how can I find that formula for maximum number of nodes? In the 0th level the maximum number of node is the 2 power 0. In the level 1 the maximum number of nodes is the 2 power 1. Level 2 the maximum number of nodes is the 2 power 2 and 2 power 3 and so on. What is the last height? That is up to what? 2 power 3. So that is a 2 power h. So this is the total number of nodes, maximum number of nodes I can add. Okay. So generally what, if you simplify that formula become what? 2 power h plus 1 minus what? 1. This is the maximum number of nodes to be added. So that if h equal to 3 means for that given height 2 power 3 plus 1 4. That is what? 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 minus 1 what we are getting? That is a 2. 15. So here for the given height 2, okay, maximum number of nodes I can add is what? 7. That is a 2 power 2 plus 1 3 8. So 8 minus 1 is what? 7. So this is the general formula. Similarly what? Minimum n for h equal to what? Simply what? 2 means 3, 3 means 4, 0 means 1, 1 means what? 2. That is what? h plus 1. So number of nodes what needed for given height. Okay, so we remember this formula. If the h is given, we need to show maximum number of nodes to be what? Added for the tree, binary tree. Okay, so this is the case for what? Binary tree. So if height is given, you are finding the maximum number of nodes. So maximum n value here. Okay, in value. Similarly, if n is given as an input. Okay, number of nodes is this. Okay, what is the minimum height I require and what is the maximum height I require to construct the binary tree? Suppose if n equal to what? 1. N equal to 1. Number of node is 1. The number of node, if I want to add means what? I need minimum height what? 0. Okay, so minimum height is what? 0 I require. Okay, so if that n equal to 2, n equal to 2, 2 nodes I wanted to add, one node will be a root. So minimum I need what? It will be added in what? One will be a root and second one must be a left of that root or right of the root. Like that only we can add. So the minimum height I required is what? 1. Okay. Similarly, n equal to what? 3. There are two possibilities. That is what? It can be constructed like this. That is a 1 always. Second node is the left and third node also what? The left or right. Okay. What is the minimum? What is the maximum height required means what? 1 and then what? 2. The two nodes, the 3 nodes will be joined in like a link list. So 1, 2, 3 like that if we are add. Okay, that height is what? The 3. So maximum height, 2. The maximum height is what? The 2. But that also can be constructed like this. 1 and second node as a left and the third node as what? The right of the root. So the minimum height required is what? 1. Okay, maximum height is what? That is a 2. Minimum height and maximum height. And for the number of nodes, the maximum also what? Height will be the 0. The number of nodes 2, the minimum is 1. The maximum is also what? 1. But For the number of nodes 3, I can join like this also. I can construct the tree like this, or I can construct like this. Okay, we can complete the tree with the height equal to what? 1. So minimum height required is what? 1. In that 1 height I can complete the tree, or the maximum height if I required means what? That is a true 2. Similarly, n equal to 4. N equal to 4 means fourth node if I want to add with this tree I can add one more node with what? The left of this. So the maximum height is equal to what? 3. So 4 nodes will be joined as a left side alone. Okay, that is a 1 and then 2, 3 and then 4 like this. Or one more node if you are adding this tree, that is this is the minimum height with what? Number of node equal to 3. With this, that is 1 and 2 and 3. Fourth node if I want to add means what? I can add that fourth node in the next level only. So left off or right off, left off or right off, like that. So if I are adding the fourth node here, so what is the minimum height I required here to add the fourth node? 4 nodes means what? Minimum height I need what? 1 and then what? 2. So the minimum height is the 2. The maximum height is what? The 3. Okay. Similarly, for n equal to 5, 6, 7, up to what? 7, 5, 6, 7. So fifth node I can add here. Sixth node I can add here. Seventh node I can add here. Okay, up to what? 7 nodes I can add with what? N equal to what? 4. So all these 3, okay, the minimum h equal to what? The 4. Sorry, 2. So at that 2 I can add the what? 5 number of nodes, 6 number of nodes and 7 number of nodes. So if I want to add the 8th node for given 8 number of nodes, I need to increase the minimum height. So minimum height required is what? The 8th node can be added in the next level only. So that what? The height equal to what? 3. Okay. Similarly 8 in the third level, that is and the next level, how many nodes I can add? Maximum is what? 2 power what? 3. In the third level I can add what? 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means what? 8 nodes. So for the 9, 10 up to what? 15 nodes. Okay. So I need the minimum height equal to what? 3. So in general, okay, for given n, okay, so the maximum, that is a minimum height I required is minimum height equal to what? Just see that for 8 it is what? 3, 9 equal to 3, 10 also what? 3, 15 also 3. Okay, it is given by the formula log n base 2 and what? Floor. This is the minimum height, and the maximum height is maximum h is nothing but what? If it is 2 means maximum height is 1, 3 maximum height 3, 4 maximum height is what? 4. 5 nodes means what? It will be added in the left side alone or right side alone, that is a 4. Simply what? N minus what? 1. So number of nodes minus what? 1. So this is the maximum one. So you need to understand this formula what? Log n what? Base 2. For example, n is given as a 10. 10 means what? Log 10 base 2. If n equal to what? 10. Okay. So log 10 base 2 floor. Okay. So how can we find actually what? Base 2 means what? Log 8 means 2 power 3. Okay, log 8 means 2 power, log 2 power 3. So which is equivalent to, just if you apply this is equivalent to 3 point what something. Okay, log 10 value what? Floor of what? 3 point something. Okay, for example 3.45 example. This is an example. So it is equivalent to what? The 3. Floor means what? Lower integer. It means the decimal number will be what? Truncated. So the symbol is represented for representing a floor value. Floor means just what? Lower integer. Only what? 3. Just round up to the lower integer. So it is equivalent to what? 3. So how can we easily remember means log 4 base 2. Okay, log 4 I can, how can I write means log 2 power what? 2 base what? 2. So this will be cancelled, which is equivalent to what? 2. 2 into what? Log 2 base 2. So this is equivalent to what? 1. So which is equivalent to what? 2. Okay, so log 4 value equal to what? 2. Similarly, log 8 value equal to what? 3. So log 16 value equal to what? 4, like this. Okay, so that given height of 6 means what? In between 4 and what? 8. So it means that log 4 value 2. 2 point something. So 2 point something will be what? 2. Similarly, log 8 is the 3. Okay, so log 9, 10 up to 15 is a 3 point something. So floor value is what? 3. So when you go for the log 16, okay, log 16 base 2 means it's a 4. So just to what? Remember this two formulas, that is what? If the height is the given, what is the maximum number of nodes I can add? 2 power h plus 1 minus what? 1. Similarly, if the n is given, so what is the minimum height I required is what? Log n base 2. And maximum height is the n minus 1. Similarly, minimum n is what? H plus 1. Okay. So this formula will be needed in constructing the binary tree using what? The arrays or the list. Okay. So remember this.